Hello! Today we'll be going over the necessary steps it takes to easily and cheaply repair 2-pin connectors for Sennheiser headphones. No need to spend avoidable expenses on a new headphone cable if there's a chance of repairing the old one. After you're done with this video, you'll have the necessary skill set to do just that for all future scenarios you might encounter. For this tutorial we'll be using HD600 Sennheiser stereo headphones, but any Sennheiser pair that uses 2-pin connectors would work as well. The most common problem you might encounter from this is that only one of the sides is playing audio or some sort of flickering. If that's the case, then doing the following should solve this whole issue. For this repair job you'll need new replacement 2-pin plugs for Sennheiser headphones. They come in different designs and can vary in price from a few dollars to about 10. In the description you can find links to where to buy them. Also, you will need a few common DIY tools to ensure it all goes as planned and you're left with something that isn't low in quality. Get a sharp knife and cut off both of the plugs. You need to remove both of them, otherwise you'll have two cables that are different length, and it won't be comfortable nor appealing to look at. Stretch out the rubber covering so you could later slice off any excess. Now check how long of a wire do you need for the connector. Remove the excess covering and split both of the wires. Do it for both of the cables. Cover all 4 wires in tin and check with the multimeter to see which conductor is ground. In our case, the gold wires are ground, red wire is right and green wire is left. Now prepare 2 heat shrink tubings which you'll be able to put on the new connectors. Do it now before the soldering, because later on it won't be possible no more. Solder tin on both of the plugs to make sure the wiring is of better quality. Now solder on both of the wires to the connectors, only remember that for these 2-pin plugs the larger pin should be used for ground, and since in our case the gold wire was ground, we will put it there. The smaller pin is for signal. When you're done with it you should end up with something looking like this. Before continuing, you can connect the new cable to the headphones to see if it works. If it does, using super glue, glue the cable to the place where it rests in the connector. It's recommended you hold it together till the glue hardens. Afterwards, glue on the other side of the cap, only make sure you have the right and left side letters according to each side. No need to be stingy on the glue here and make sure you put plenty of it in it. After that is done, put glue on the part where the cable goes in the plug and slide on the heat shrink tubing. Again, doing this for both of the sides. And that's it. Didn't take long at all, and at the end of it we're left with high quality cables. It's probably just placebo, but custom made cables always give a better feel. Maybe it's just me. Like this video if you want us to keep making tutorials, and if you're interested in more DIY headphone videos, check out our channel and perhaps even subscribe. Take care.